welcome to my channel. I know this is my first time making a video, so I want to make a video because I always love to make stuff, love to show fashion and beauty and other stuff, and especially hair. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I want to kind of give some of the new subscribers, and also if you my OG subscribers, you already know about my channel. But some of the ones who are new, I want to say welcome to my channel. I'm going to explain to y'all what type of content I'm doing on this channel, and so I'm gonna give y'all like an update, letting y'all know, so y'all know what I be doing on this channel and different things I do. First thing, I'm gonna tell you who I am. Hi, my name is TIFFANYRE Gaston, and this is my YouTube channel, and I'm 25. I live with my mom and my brother, so yeah, I'm very nervous to say this stuff all on here, but I'm a little shy often sometimes, and I will messing up my videos often, and that's what sometimes I do, but that's me. But let's get to the video. Okay, the first thing I will tell y'all what type of things I do on this channel. So I do different types of content. So I'm a Gemini. Geminis like to do different things in life. My channel, before, when I started channel, I started in 2013. So I did beauty, fashion, lifestyle. I didn't do hair at the time until after I said I wanted. At the time I was wearing wigs and stuff at the time, and I was styling the wigs that I had. So that's how I kind of started off doing some hair, but that was just after that, about like I think 2000 and after that, before I stopped doing wigs, wearing wigs, I kind of got into just doing my own natural hair. Yeah, not just wig, I had weave in my hair too. But I mean, after that, I kind of got into doing my own natural hair. I think after, like, I think it was 2016. Now I kind of got into doing that. I took a break from for a while until I kind of learned more about doing hair videos, and that's the one thing. I do hair videos, and before that I did reaction videos. Before I did hair videos, about the same time in the same year. Reaction videos, I just don't do it all the time. I might do it probably sometimes. I might do it every week, probably, if I see something I want to see, or I might ask y'all to do, where y'all can tell me what reaction videos I would do. Some reaction videos I might not do if I don't know if it's entertainment for me to look. Probably I'll let y'all know. I want to be an honest YouTuber. Another thing is that I after that I kind of got into doing like tech, a little bit tech. I did tech videos before, but I had, at the time when I first started my channel, I kind of make the video too long. But after that, I kind of got in. Now I got back into it, and now I kind of figure out what to do into doing from last year, I think 2018 to like 2019. Get into doing editing videos to kind of show you how to, like, you know, do your thumbnails and outlet videos or anything, or especially the music that you should use if you're doing like a vlog or regular videos. That a lot of YouTubers would do that on their channels, and I kind of want to do mine, but I try to do mine a little different. Epic videos, I want to kind of do something like that, but I want to make my content much different from other people's. I don't want to really technically do the same things. I used to do like morning routines and night routines. I would do it sometimes, but I don't do it. I used to do it because I was in college, but sometimes I did when I wasn't like doing, after I got out of college, after I left college, took a break from college. I dropped out of college. I didn't drop out of college because of YouTube. I just dropped out because I was so stressed out and a lot of things that's going on in my life. But soon I'm gonna go back to college. I probably say I do like a lot of different things. I might say, like, sometimes if I don't do like the other things, I might want to give advice videos, probably feedbacks. If someday I might do that, if y'all want me to do it, give y'all some feedbacks, or do a react and see about people's channels. Cause I think I saw somebody did that like that on YouTube. Because I see other YouTubers do, and I might want to do some nice things that kind of inspire me, that I want to try this and see how I do on my videos. But I might say I'm still showing my passion, that I want to do something I want to show, and I kind of like it, and I feel like I want to get into producing and something in life probably someday. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know and do that. I think beauty videos, I do like makeup videos. I kind of often did a lot of makeup videos. Some I wasn't good at it. I did videos that was so bad of makeups on it. It's probably because I watch a lot of YouTube videos, so that's how I kind of learned about how to put on makeup and everything. Yeah, and I might probably do challenge videos on this channel too. I did challenge videos too, and now I'm going to soon probably get back into do that. So I've been trying to see what type of challenge videos, but I want mine to be not the same challenge videos that you be seeing a lot of it, but I might say that I probably want to show something that's new to people and they were new to YouTube too, that they could see something that people want to try. I forgot what else one was like, because I didn't wrote nothing else down. I didn't wrote nothing down. I just kind of thought this in my head because I haven't been doing a video like this since 2014. So that was the last time I did one, like, welcome to my channel. I want to kind of do that and give y'all some heads up if you new. But if you want to see more videos and you want to watch my old videos, go watch them, and also subscribe. And if you're new to see this video or my other videos, go subscribe to my channel, to this channel. Also go subscribe to my vlogging channel. I'm trying to grow in there. Also, I forgot to tell y'all, I had vlogs on here too. I used to be vlogging on here, but I do it sometimes on this channel. But now I'm kind of doing a vlog on my second channel. So I'm gonna change the name a little different, but I don't know. I gotta wait and see. I gotta get used to it. But don't forget to subscribe and click the bell and notification, because sometimes YouTube don't tell you that somebody YouTube channel. Tell people videos that coming out, because press that, because sometimes that stuff happens and everything. But I'm gonna tell you that I'm a fierce, intelligent person. I'm a nice person. Sometimes I will get mad, but I just kind of like, it's really not worth it to get mad and stuff. But that's why I like to be a positive, influence person, and so yeah. But I think that's it. So yeah. But I gotta go. Peace out. And sometimes I would do peace signs sometimes, but not all the time. But bye y'all. See y'all in my next video.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang.